I am Kai and I study for a master's degree in Industrial Engineering and Management at TU Ilmenau. Industrial Engineering and Management is a very scientific degree program. The knowledge imparted during the lectures is fleshed out during the exercises, followed by case studies for the economic field and lots of internships in the technical area. I think you should be interested mainly in technical, but also economic things, and you need to be hungry for knowledge to succeed in this very extensive degree program. Campus life at TU Ilmenau is very active. There are lots of societies. There is the slogan, Ilmenau is what you make of it, so there will be something for everyone. I particularly enjoy the sports offerings. We have a great university athletic complex, including a climbing wall and great outdoor facilities. My personal favorite is the martial arts room. For my master's, I specialized in supply chain management and production technology, so I can be a direct part of the processes, the value added and the operational optimization as an industrial engineer. I like to spend my nights at one of the 4 student clubs. For a more chill thing, we fire up the barbecue on the lawn in front of the cafeteria or in one of the many parks. Everyone will bump into a lecturer on a night out at least once and be too informal by accident. Industrial engineering and management makes me think of an eagle circling above everything with a great overview that helps and supports everywhere. My degree program, Industrial Engineering and Management, in 3 words: interdisciplinary, varied, interesting.